Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you reset your Instagram password if you forgot it, but you need to have the mobile number or email account. So let's continue to Instagram first. After going to Instagram, here you can see in the right bottom corner your profile icon. Click on this. After clicking on your profile icon, you can see three dash icon in the top right corner. Click on the three dash icon. After clicking on three dash icon, you can see settings option, the very first one. Click on settings. After clicking on settings, you can see security option in the middle. Click on security. After clicking security, you can see password, the very first one. Click on password. Here you can see in the blue, forgetting your password, the last one. Click on this. By clicking on this, Instagram has sent an email to your account. So let's go to Gmail account. Guys, you need to have the Gmail account. After going to the Gmail account, you can see Instagram, the very first one. Click on this. After clicking here, you can see reset password in the blue. Click on the blue button. After clicking on your blue button, here you can see new password and new password again. It said that to create a strong password. So let's give them a password. Now click on reset password. Guys, your password has changed. This is how can you change your Instagram password if you forgot it. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.